Now let's simplify 5.68 into 4.48. Now let's multiply 8 into 8, 64. 8 into 6, 48 plus 6, 54. 8 into 5, 40 plus 5, 45. 4 into 8, 32. 4 into 6, 24 plus 3, 27. 4 into 5, 20 plus 2, 22. 4 into 8, 32. 4 into 6, 24 plus 3, 27. 4 into 5, 20 plus 2, 22. Now let's add all these numbers. 4 plus 2, 6. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. And 2. Now let's add point. Let's check how many numbers are there after the point. Let's check in group number 1 first. After the point there are 2 numbers in group number 1. After the point there are 2 numbers in group number 2. So 2 plus 2, 4. Now we should count 4 digits from the right side and add the point. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the answer will be 25.4464. Please subscribe.